This exceptional Northwest retreat offers tranquil luxury living in prestigious Ironwood Estates. Located just moments from Bonnie Slope Park and Forest Park and surrounded by natural beauty, this custom home combines timeless architecture, privacy, and refined comfort. Inspired by the 1989 Street of Dreams, this home makes a stunning first impression with rich craftsmanship and elegant design details throughout. The spacious vaulted family room filled with natural light and with an inviting fireplace is just one of many spaces for entertaining or relaxing. The kitchen offers custom crystal cabinetry, newer Gen-era appliances, and even a hidden hibachi grill top for a truly unique culinary experience. Generous prep space and filtered instant hot and cold water are perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Outside, the peaceful Zen-like setting creates a true private escape. The formal living room features dramatic ceilings and a cozy fireplace, while French doors open to the private office. The main-level primary suite is a luxurious sanctuary all its own, complete with a private wet bar, sitting area, warm fireplace, a spacious walk-in closet, and a spa-inspired bathroom with a soaking tub, walk-in shower, and dual vanities. A separate guest wing on the main level offers incredible flexibility. Featuring its own bathroom with a one-of-a-kind Tatami soaking tub and shower, plus a wet bar, the space is filled with natural light from dramatic floor-to-ceiling windows. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms, including one perfectly suited as a bonus room, media space, or flex room. Enjoy a peaceful, low-maintenance setting with 2 expansive new Trex decks, a covered hot tub, new storage shed, and thoughtfully designed landscaping. With beautifully curated living spaces and smart home features throughout, this Ironwood Estates home offers a rare combination of luxury and serenity. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.